The Skagit Valley is no stranger to incredible berries. And here at Hill Blueberries, they're growing some of the juiciest, tastiest, and might I add, some of the biggest blueberries around.
We really love the varieties that we do grow, and a lot of people, they'll tell us, like, I've tried other blueberries and yours are the best.
Audrey Matheson started farming with her brother Ezra 2 years ago. Now their focus is on organic and sustainable stewardship here on the farm. And although this may be a new operation for them, the blueberries have been here for a long time.
It was a huge help for us to get in where the farm was already established. I mean, these plants know what they're doing for the most part, so it's just us here being stewards as organic farmers.
And you don't actually expect me to go to a you-pick blueberry farm without picking some berries for myself, do you? These look amazing. These are big fatties.
Yes, they are. Yeah, so this is our blue crop variety.
Oh, man.
Yeah, the blue crop has a sweet and like a little floral, I think.
So is there a technique? Is there something I should look out for when I'm picking blueberries?
There definitely is. So first of all, you want to look for the darkest berries because those are going to be the sweetest. So you kind of find a bunch and you're going to kind of cup your hands like this, and with your thumbs in front. You're going to get your kind of bucket situated underneath, and you're gonna use your thumbs to gently pull off all the ripe berries.
Look at that.
Directly into your bucket.
In my bucket, from my bucket to my mouth. It's a nice day to be on a blueberry farm.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So as we're walking through the blueberry fields here, I see we've got this guy up here. What's the story with this?
So this is one of our wavy Davies. He helps us keep the little birds from coming down on the field and decimating all of the blueberries.
Oh, I see.
So as an organic farm, we have to choose some different ways for keeping the birds off the blueberries once they're ripe. So this is one of them.
Boy, I've already got so many berries in my bucket.
Enough to make a good pie?
Or a couple of mouthfuls.
Oh, okay.
So good. You just can't beat produce off the vine, off the tree. If you've never experienced that before, you just gotta get out to a farm, taste that produce after it's been picked. There's just nothing like it. In addition to the U-Pick operation, Audrey and her team also operate a market store where they sell all sorts of products, from blueberry powder to homemade blueberry juice. Well, all right, look at this cute little place. Oh,
this is our little farm store where we have all of our blueberry goodies.
And flannels.
And flannels. You have to have a flannel and a beanie if you live here. You got to.
So how many blueberries would you say makes one of these?
We put in over 1,000 blueberries into that size.
Into one jar.
Juice. Yes.
1,000 blueberries.
1,094.
94 to be precise. Look, it even says it right there. Not 5, not 3,
not 5.
94.
I love blueberries, so you kind of have to, because otherwise, what are you doing?
What are you doing this for? Right?